In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Binance. If you use Binance on your phone and want prices to show in a currency that's familiar to you, this quick walkthrough will help. Changing the display currency doesn't affect your actual crypto holdings or the trading pairs you use. It simply adjusts how values like portfolio balance, coin prices, and P&L are shown across the app, making it easier to read at a glance. Start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. If your app looks a little different from what I described, don't worry. Binance updates its interface from time to time, but the options will be in roughly the same place. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen for the three horizontal lines. This is often called the menu or the hamburger icon. Tap it to open the main navigation panel. You'll see a list of options and shortcuts for different parts of your account. From there, find the small gear icon, which represents settings, and tap it. This is where Binance keeps most of the app-wide preferences you can customize. Inside settings, you'll see several categories for things like security, notifications, and general preferences. Now locate the entry labeled currency. Tap it to open the currency selection screen. This section controls the fiat currency used to display totals and prices across the app. You might see a short list of commonly used currencies at the top, followed by a longer list ordered by region or currency code. Finally, choose the currency you prefer. Tap the one you want, and the app will update the display automatically. You don't usually need to hit a save button. Your choice is applied right away. After you select it, head back to your portfolio or any market page, and you should see values reflected in your new currency. If something doesn't update immediately, try navigating to another tab and back, or close and reopen the app. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Picking a currency that matches your local bank makes it easier to estimate real-world value and fees. If you travel or monitor prices in different regions, you can switch this setting anytime. It won't impact open orders or conversions. And if you're ever unsure whether you changed the right setting, revisit settings and confirm the selected currency. That's all it takes. You've successfully changed the display currency on Binance, making your dashboard clearer and more intuitive for everyday use.